Every time the train would pass Chilka Lake, I would peep outside the window trying to get a good look at it. But only a small portion can be visible. I would wish that someday I would get the opportunity to see the lake for real. So, when I came to know that we will trip to Chilka, I was very excited.
Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel with Rehan. I make entertaining travel videos. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Today I will show you the beauty of Chilka Lake.
Now I sat on a balcony, realized the quaintness of nature. Here I am, Barkul Chilka, Odisha. It is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the second largest coastal lagoon in the world, after the New Caledonian Barrier Reef in the New Caledonia. Chilka Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over 3 districts: Puri, Khurda and Ganjam. Stayed at Barkul Panthanivas at Odisha. The second floor's rooms are the best to stay according to all of us because the lake is just in front of the balcony. Went to the restaurant to take a lunch. Got into the boat at the water sports complex and moved towards the opening into the Chilka. Our destination, Kalijai Temple. Chilka Lake has been recognized as a wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention. There are stories of a pirate king, Raktabahu, who is said to have crossed seas, conquered the holy place Puri, but was left misguided by magnificent waters of Chilka Lake. Kalijai Temple is located on an island in Chilka Lake. It is considered to be the abode of Goddess Kalijai. Goddess Kalijai is actually Goddess Kali. It is believed that after death of village girl Jai, the girl became Goddess Kali and worshipped as Kalijai in the same island. Chilka Lake is the winter stopover of the migratory birds and thus during the season, many exotic and beautiful bird species can be spotted here.
এই মন 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 এই দুরন্ত ঘূর্ণি এই লেগেছে পাক।
Shops selling their stuff. The din of the visitors thronging the complex made the atmosphere seem like a fair. Blackbuck and Vetnai. How could this to be pronounced simultaneously and be connected together? This was the first impression to my astonished mind. When I came to know that a small unknown village of our neighboring state is providing a safe playground to hundreds of blackbucks since years. We are standing at the beginning of a huge open ground. What a wonderful world it was! They gazed, what played in front of my pierced eyes. My father was so spellbound that sometimes forgot to press a shutter and thus missed to capture a lot of unique images. Vetnai is a small village located in Ganjam district of Odisha. Nestled in the lobes of the Eastern Ghats, the place is home to innumerable blackbucks, which roam freely in the mountain slopes. The local people considered the blackbucks as a symbol of sensitivity and goodwill. We are traveling to Salia Dam from Vetnai, which is 71 km drive. Small hillocks are visible here and there, covered with lush greenery. If this is the nature's accept of the environment, then on the other side of the dam is totally dried, with the perfect evidence of geology. There are some canals coming out from the other side of the dam and flowing downstream. The Salia Reservoir and dam is constructed upon the Salia River. Goddess Bhagavati Temple is a famous temple in Odisha. The sculpture, architecture speaks the volume of historical significance. Colorful and divine is the atmosphere here. It was my third morning in the state of Odisha, in India's east coast.
पॉइजन का वाला नहीं और सांप तो खाते हैं, पल हिरन खाते हैं सांप। हाँ। आपका जो हमारे कॉटेज में लगता है जो पल हिरन, इसको सांप खींच के लेके जाते हैं। हाँ। तो जो शायद कल हमारे बम्बई से आते हैं।
तो बाकी चाहिए ना। अच्छा ये गाछ को की है
नाल घास है, नाल वो बनाता है वो घास।
I was gliding along silently in the rustic wooden rowboat in a gentle waters of Mangalajori in Chilika Lake, India's and Asia's largest brackish water lake. Mangalajori is a relatively unexplored tourism destination, which is also a Ramsar site and popularly known as Bird's Paradise. The climate condition and the ecosystem attract more than 300 species of migratory and resident birds from different parts. What makes the ecosystem of Mangalajori special is that the entire village turned from poachers to bird conservationists. It was all due to the effort of one man, Mr. Nand Kishore Bhujbal, whose concerted efforts from 1997 to protect the ecosystem and creating awareness about ecosystem amongst the villagers. Today, Mangalajori is a tribute to his perseverance. Unlike Chilika, Mangalajori is still relatively quiet and unknown amongst the general tourists. It is a paradise for bird lovers. I saw plenty of egrets, purple morans, whiskered terns, water crows, glossy ibises, purple herons, kingfishers, pond herons, and much more.
वो फीमेल है, जो काला माथा है मेल है, वो जो सूखा ऊपर रहते हैं ये फीमेल है। इसे नॉर्दर्न पिंटल एक पिंटल। पिंटल ब्लैक टेल गौडुटी है, ब्लैक एंड टी।
The Mangalajori side of Chilka is filled with marshy wetlands that makes this area a perfect spot for birds to fly in from all parts from the world, nest and breed. If you have plans of discovering the real Odisha, then this spot must be there in your bucket list. We have visited Satpara Chilka Lake and saw Indian dolphins. It is a unique experience to visit Golden Beach. The name itself opened the floodgate of nostalgia in a bong's mind. But what we see in this tour is the Puri beyond the usual Puri. From Swargadar, about 10 minutes of ride in the auto, we reached the place called Puri's Mohana. place is an estuary, but the river Dhauria meets the Bay of Bengal. The place is absolutely mesmerizing. The waves are much low and water from Dhauria river is dragging over the sand. We can stand for hours with the water flowing over my feet and sand flowing away. I found the place to be tranquilizing. Many olive ridley turtles found dead on the way to Puri beach. This is a heartbreaking image for me. We were trailing walk on the beach to come back and thinking my father's line. Whenever you go, bring your own sunshine.
Puri is one of the favorite tourist places in India. So take a look on it. So friends, how was my videos? If you like my videos, please share it and subscribe my channel.